Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear?
What's up, mi gente? Bienvenidos and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Alexiss Dionne. Thank you so much for joining me. So today we're going to be doing this eye look and I'm super excited about it. It is a gold cut crease eye look with a dark brown smokiness to it. If you like what you see so far, go ahead, hit that like button down below. I am going to go ahead and jump right into this video and I will see you guys at the end.
I say you crazy, we're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with. Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Have you got no shame? You looking insane, turning up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame? You looking insane. Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. R-I-E-N-D-S. That's how you spell friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that shit inside your head. No. We're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Have you got no shame? You looking insane, turning up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame? You looking insane. Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't get that shit inside your head. No, no, yeah, F-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight.
And that's how I achieved this look, you guys. I hope that you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you did, to hit this like button down below. And if I can help you with any questions about products or anything like that, don't be shy. Go ahead, leave them down in the comments below. I like connecting with you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. And also, while I have you, I'm curious, do you guys prefer the videos with like no voiceover? Do you want me to talk through them? Or do you just prefer like just the video with the music and me showing you how I do it? Because I'm curious to see what you guys prefer, because I'm going to give you what you want. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm here for. I'm here to give you what you want. So y'all let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I don't know if I said that already, but if I did, I don't care. Hit that subscribe button, y'all, and hit the little bell so you get notified of my next video. I will see you guys next time, okay? Next time you're going to be here with me, right? I'm going to see you. Hasta la próxima vez, mi gente. Mwah! Te quiero. Ciao. I'm trying to get content out to you guys on a weekly basis. We go make it rain content. Make it rain content. No, I'm really going to try, you guys. I forgot now. Sharing is caring, you guys. So share away. Share this motherfucking video. Okay, that ain't gonna work. What was I gonna say? Share this motherfucking video. I should just start saying that in every damn video.
That actually might be cool.
Oh, and I will see you guys next time. Hasta la próxima vez. Damn, best, I was this close.
You did that one.
Oh, fuck. This close. I'll see you guys next time. Hasta la próxima vez, mi gente. Mwah. Te quiero. Ciao. Yes, I nailed it.